Hi everyone, welcome to International Law. My name is Catherine Carpenter and I will be your instructor for this course. The reality is we live in a heavily globalized world. And if you're not sure if that's actually the case, or even if you don't agree with it, consider the pandemic that we've just gone through and continue to go through in certain aspects of the world. The reality is we live in a highly integrated world that has very different legal systems that we need to be mindful of and aware of as we move through and try to work in and around international business. So by the end of this course, we will be able to list and contrast the main conceptual differences between common law and civil law. Those are the two sort of main systems that are used in most countries around the world. Use legal language as it applies to business. We'll apply a common law lens to fundamental aspects of contract law, tort law, constitutional law, and intellectual property law. We'll explain the role of the World Trade Organization, or the WTO, and other appellate bodies related to international trade. We'll also explain the importance of tariffs and trade from a legal perspective and explain trade regulations in legal terms. We'll categorize the various domestic and international courts and tribunals and their functions. We'll also describe how the law and legal issues affect business internationally. And then we'll also analyze the role and importance of intergovernmental political relationships and treaties and how they affect international business. Again, it's really important to understand these things if we consider the relationship between Mexico, the US, and Canada when they were renegotiating NAFTA. There were all sorts of implications to businesses in Canada, as well as organizations basically within all of those countries and even with other international partners because of those implications and changes to treaties. So there's lots of really interesting content to get through. And so the way this course is going to be delivered is asynchronously, which basically means you can complete it at your own pace, with the exception of 3 quizzes, which is how you're going to be evaluated in the course. And those times will be set and scheduled, and that information will be posted on the course page. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I very much look forward to supporting your learning here.